Hello, my cute little artist. Welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. Quickly grab your drawing copy, colors, and pencil because we are going to draw together a raft of ducks today. Are you ready? So, first we'll draw one circle and then we'll draw one straight line, draw one curve, and then we'll draw the first duck here. See, drawing this duck is super easy, right? Now, like this, we are going to make two to three more. So the second one, let's draw in the same way. One is facing right, the other one is facing left. Then let's add another one. So you can decide the direction all by yourself, that which duck is going to face which side. Then we are going to draw the waves. So the duck is swimming in the pond only, you can imagine, and then you have to color the duck with beautiful colors. You can leave them white also, or you can color them in yellow. Let's add some cute clouds on the top and some birds flying above. So color them with a bright and beautiful color. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya.